The Attendance tab provides a variety of information regarding attendance for your students. Select the campus and teacher name when you first open the tab. As with the other tabs, demographic filters are located on the right side. Once a filter is selected, data will be filtered for all visuals on the current dashboard. The dashboard can also be filtered by selecting data on the visuals. The dashboard displays a variety of information that can help you with identifying attendance trends and patterns for the selected teacher. On this dashboard, you will see the year-to-date attendance percentage, which is the yearly average attendance of all students. You will also see the attendance percentage for yesterday. Additionally, this tab contains a bar graph that reports the percentage of students that fall within each absence range. As we drill through to a list of students with 18 or more absences in second period, we see student demographic information, course information, and the number of absences. This information can be helpful when monitoring attendance and identifying those in need of attendance recovery. Below this, you will find a line graph displaying the absence rate for each day this year. This visual is interactive and allows you to zoom in and out as necessary. You are also provided a student list that contains two tabs. The first tab provides a list of students ordered by absence counts, greatest to least. The second tab provides a list of students in alphabetical order, reporting total absences for the school year. By selecting a student's name, the data on dashboard will be filtered for that student. In this tab, you will find reports that provide multiple views of attendance data. Each report gives you the ability to specify a date range. For some of these reports, campus leaders are able to select multiple teachers to view data all at once. You can run attendance sorted by period and course, by course and section, see a student list of total attendance, or run a report of your students who have perfect attendance in their second period course. Now that you have learned all that is available here, visit this tab on a weekly basis to monitor trends in student attendance.